Okay, you guys, we need to talk about Lashgate because I'm just like mind blown right now. So if you guys have been living under a rock, Mikayla started Lashgate, Mascara Gate, whatever you want to call it, and it's just been blowing up on social media. And Mikayla finally made a response today, and I cannot wait to play it for you and us go through and discuss, which I want to hear all your thoughts and opinions down below. Does this even bother you? Do you even care? Let me know down below, because there is a lot of mixed opinions, but it, like Jen Love's review says, it depends on where you're at on like the wave of when it bothers you and when it doesn't. For me, it bothers me because I am an influencer and I just kind of know the ins and outs and the behind the scenes and things that she's doing that hasn't been okay for a very long time. And once I saw Kathleen Lights make the original video calling her out, and then everybody else, you just know that they're sick of her SHIT, because I've been sick of it for a very long time. The fakeness, you know, the lying, the filters, and there's so many people that completely believe her and are on her side. But it's okay to be naive and to really like somebody and to trust them, but when you're on this side and you just know what they're doing, that's when you're closer to the little, let's say the sun, you're closer to it and you just kind of know. So it really irritates you. But anyways, so pause really quick. I do want to say that I have a giveaway going on right now. I am giving away quite a few of my Ipsy products for February of 2023. We did this back in December and I had a great response, so I decided I'm going to give away a bunch of products. So if you guys want to enter to win, then definitely hit the link below and go enter. All the details will be in that video. So anyways, back to the video. Lashgate, Mascara Gate 2023. So the problem with this is the whole false advertising with the lashes, all of that. It's a big no-no, okay? L'Oreal and all of the backlash that I am seeing them get is kind of deserved, but also not at the same time, because let me just tell you, there have been posts where I have had to get content approved, and I've gotten it approved very quickly. I feel like L'Oreal probably had an oversight and just didn't realize that she was wearing false lashes, because like usually there's a guide that you have to follow. It'll be like, use the mascara only, please do not apply false lashes. There's usually a guide, and I would really like one of the influencers that did review this mascara for L'Oreal for the, you know, the partnered post that they did, to show that guide, because I don't think that you're not allowed to show it. It's just like the contracts that you sign, you're not allowed to show. So I really want to see that, because Mikayla's like the only person that used fake lashes in her review. Nobody else did, so it's kind of like, why? Like, the mascara looked good in all of that. Like, there was nothing wrong with the mascara. So I mean, you know, whatever. So another big problem that everybody was having was the fact that, and these have allegedly been deleted and nobody can find the comments anymore, of where people are like, aren't you wearing false lashes? And Mikayla literally said no, L'Oreal would not allow that on an ad, a post, sponsored post, whatever it is. I forgot what exactly it was, but she was like, L'Oreal will not allow that. So no, it's just the mascara. So she lied there. She absolutely lied. And it's just like, what? So her video is currently sitting at 49.7 million views, and she finally came back to TikTok today, and we're going to, let's watch the first video that she posted together. I haven't watched all of these. I've only seen half of the first one and thought, you know what, I have makeup on, let's sit down and let's talk about this together, because I'm just very much annoyed. So let's watch this together.
I'm sure we all know why we've all gathered here today. It's the month of love, bitches. Anyone who knows.
Okay, pause. So that's where I have such huge like issue right there, where I'm just like so so pissed because she knows that all of this is happening. She knows, so she has that dramatic pause. She's like, I know why everybody's here, because we think she's gonna respond. But she doesn't. And then she's just like, Valentine's Day, y'all, Valentine's Day. I'm just like, are you kidding me? This is literally slapping everyone in the face. It's like leaving such a bad taste in my mouth and others, because so many of us, even a lot of the big influencers who have millions of followers that are absolutely honest, this is like punching us in the face, because when we review a product, we're not putting a filter on it. We're not lying. We're not, you know what I'm saying? It's like, and then she's just like, hey guys, I'm back because I want to make a video about Valentine's Day makeup looks, because I love Valentine's Day and I don't really care about what happened, because I'm making a ton of money right now and I'm just going to keep going and ignore it. Like, no, that's not cool. That's not cool. And then, of course, here we are sitting here watching her video, heavily filtered. Trust me, I know. Okay, so we're just not gonna worry about watching everything because it's very boring, because she doesn't talk about anything, which is she just slaps you in the face and then she gets on with her video. But I love how whenever you go to the comments, it says search Mikayla Nogueira fake lash response. Like, that's what I'm seeing right now. And there's so many people who have like Mikayla Nogueira apology search. I don't know if that's like a tag or something, or if that's just, I don't know what that means. I don't really know TikTok that well, but it's like denial in is a river in Egypt side eye. Somebody said the start of the video, crying face, and then she has the like stunned and like the, it's like, girl, really? And then no comment, huh? I think we all know why we gathered here today. I was ready for the tea. Wait, I actually like how she ignored everyone's hate. What mascara are we using, Mikayla? Excuse me, side eye. You know, yeah. There's a lot of people on here that are just like, we love an unbothered queen. This one person said, yeah, we have gathered here for some melts. It's very mixed. It's very like everybody's applauding her, but then it's like, no, girl, we want answers. We want to know. You legally might not be able to comment on it because, you know, there's a good chance that she can get in a lot of trouble for the false advertising. And I'm just over here like, she really said nothing, but also said it all in the first 5 seconds of her TikTok. That she doesn't care, and if she comes out and apologizes even a little bit later, it's going to be the most ungenuine apology in the entire world, because right here she just does not care, and you can tell. And for me, absolutely not. I super done. I don't watch her TikToks. I don't get on the makeup talk. I am always on animal talk. I am on, you know, kids being funny talk. I don't really get my For You page never goes to makeup talk. I don't watch any of the videos. But when the whole Lashgate thing came apart, I got very interested. But I just didn't watch her at all because of knowing the filters and the fakeness and doing things for the sponsored posts and, you know, kissing brands on the behind to get more free stuff. And, you know, she's just trying to make her coin for her, almost $3 million house that she made. I'm still wondering, did she actually donate to Roe versus Wade like she said she would? Like, there's been no proof of that. She has not mentioned it. I don't know. I wish that there was some genuineness to her. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I know you're either on this side or you're on this side. Unfortunately, I'm over here because I know a thing or two, because I've seen a thing or two, and a lot of you over here just either don't care or don't think it's a big deal. But when you're on this side where I'm at, it actually is a very big deal. So everybody's going to be super mixed, and I understand. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.